Hey guys, we're here at Chesterfield, New Jersey, and we're getting ready to start demo on our next kitchen project. Right now the demo guys are inside and they're going to be ripping out the cabinets, the flooring, the countertop, and the backsplash.
Hey guys, Joanna here over with LBK Design Build. Today we are laying down flooring. So I'm gonna show you guys inside. So we have this gorgeous engineered hardwood floor going throughout the first floor, and let's go take a look at the stain that we're gonna be doing on the stairs. So our trade partners, Simple Charm Flooring, are actually installing this Bengali wood floor throughout the first floor. And we have to match the stain on this floor with the staircase, which is red oak, so it's gonna be a little bit more challenging since it's two different woods. But we found this dark gray stain that matches pretty well, so that's the stain that we're gonna go with.
All right guys, now that demo is complete and all the rough-ins are done, Chris is gonna get ready to start hanging the drywall today. As soon as he gets everything installed, he's gonna then tape and spackle and get it ready to be sanded.
Okay, Chris is all done with the drywall patching and the taping. We have our Simple Charm flooring guys over here finishing up the baseboard and the shoe molding. We're getting ready to start setting cabinets today.
All right guys, the long awaited cabinets are here. The truck's backing up now and we're gonna go unload it.
See, all of our base cabinets are installed. We have the Belmont and the Oyster White on the perimeter of the kitchen. We have the Belmont and the Willow on the island. We're here for template right now. They'll be installing the MSI Calcutta Laza tops.
All right guys, this is it. Final product, kitchen's all complete. We got our well-worn cabinets installed with built-in fridge, new range with hood, we got our beautiful new farmhouse style sink, new backsplash, and note the nice texture there to give it some flair. We got an oversized island with pendant lights above, and that wraps it up. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.